Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know it's your girl Shanique already. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this video is about this gorgeous hair. Oh my god, I'm loving this wig, the burgundy. Everything about this hair is so good. Look at that, so soft and fluffy, and the curls are so beautiful. I did this updo hairstyle just to spice things up a little bit, and I'm loving it. I don't usually go for a hairstyle like this, but it's very much given. Okay, so if you guys want to see how I did this look, continue watching.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my babies, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. Yeah. When I make me float,